20 Most Common Money Laundering Businesses. Money laundering often involves disguising illegal earnings as legitimate income through various means. Certain types of businesses are more susceptible to being used for money laundering due to their cash-intensive nature or the ease with which transactions can be manipulated. Here are 20 types of businesses commonly associated with money laundering activities. 1. Casinos and gambling establishments. High cash transactions and large amounts of money exchange make casinos a prime target for money laundering. 2. Real estate agencies. Buying, selling, or renting properties can be used to launder money through inflated prices or using shell companies. 3. Jewelry stores. High-value items like diamonds and gold can be used to convert illicit cash into valuable assets. 4. Luxury car dealerships. Expensive vehicles can be purchased with illicit funds and resold or traded to launder money. 5. Restaurants and bars. Cash-heavy operations provide opportunities to mix illegal funds with legitimate revenue. 6. Construction companies. Large cash transactions and inflated invoices can obscure the origin of illicit money. 7. Tourism and travel agencies. High-value travel packages and tickets can be used to launder money through inflated costs. 8. Art galleries and auction houses. Valuable artworks can be bought with dirty money and resold, making it difficult to trace the original source. 9. Import-export businesses. Over or under invoicing goods, or using false documentation, can help launder money through international trade. 10. Financial services firms. Small, privately owned banks or financial advisory firms may be used to conduct transactions that obscure the origin of funds. 11. Pawn shops. Items bought with illicit money can be pawned and then redeemed, converting illegal cash into legitimate funds. 12. Gaming and lottery operations. Buying lottery tickets or gambling chips can be used to clean money by claiming winnings. 13. Legal and accounting firms. Professionals in these fields might assist in creating complex financial structures to disguise illicit money. 14. Charities and nonprofits. Donations can be used to funnel illegal money into legitimate channels, sometimes through inflated or fictitious donations. 15. Rental services. Renting out high-value items such as vehicles or equipment can be used to justify large sums of money. 16. Nightclubs and entertainment venues. High cash transactions and opaque financial practices can facilitate money laundering. 17. Freight and shipping companies. Manipulating cargo records or shipping documents can be used to launder money through international trade. 18. Vending machine operations. Cash-heavy businesses like vending machine operations offer opportunities to mix illicit funds with legitimate earnings. 19. Online marketplaces. E-commerce platforms allow for the sale of goods that can be used to launder money through over or under invoicing. 20. Coin-operated businesses. Businesses like laundromats or arcade machines that handle a lot of cash can be used to funnel illicit funds. These businesses are not inherently illegal or unethical, but their characteristics can make them attractive for money laundering schemes. It's important for these industries to implement robust anti-money laundering (AML) practices to prevent misuse. Certainly. Here's a more detailed explanation of why these types of businesses are commonly used for money laundering. 1. Casinos and gambling establishments. These businesses handle large volumes of cash and offer numerous opportunities for transactions. Launderers can buy chips with illicit cash and then cash them out, making the money appear as legitimate gambling winnings. 2. Real estate agencies. Real estate transactions often involve significant sums of money. By inflating property values or using shell companies, individuals can disguise the origin of illegal funds as legitimate real estate investments. 3. Jewelry stores. High-value items like jewelry can be purchased with dirty money and later sold. The ease of transferring valuable items and their high value make them attractive for laundering. 4. Luxury car dealerships. Expensive vehicles are another asset that can be bought with illicit money and resold. The high transaction values and the ability to transfer ownership make it easy to launder money. 5. Restaurants and bars. These businesses frequently handle cash transactions, which can be used to mix illegal funds with legitimate revenue. For example, a launderer might overstate the daily takings or understate expenses. 6. Construction companies. Large cash transactions and the potential for inflated invoices or false contracts make construction businesses ideal for laundering money. Illegal funds can be used to pay for overpriced projects or services. 7. Tourism and travel agencies. Booking high-value travel packages or tickets can help launder money. For instance, illicit money can be used to purchase expensive trips and then be recouped as supposedly legitimate travel expenses. 8. Art galleries and auction houses. Art can be a high-value asset that is difficult to price accurately. Buying and reselling art can convert illicit money into seemingly legitimate proceeds from art sales. 9. Import-export businesses. Manipulating the value of goods, or falsifying shipment documents, can help launder money. Over or under invoicing goods allows the conversion of illicit money into legitimate trade transactions. 10. Financial services firms. Smaller, less regulated financial institutions or firms may be used to funnel money through complex transactions, obscuring the origin of the funds. 11. Pawn shops. These businesses can convert illegal cash into valuable items, which can then be redeemed or resold. Items like electronics, jewelry, or collectibles are often used in this way. 12. Gaming and lottery operations. Buying lottery tickets or gaming chips with dirty money can create the illusion of legitimate winnings. Once won, these funds are laundered through prize payouts. 13. Legal and accounting firms. Professionals in these fields may help set up complex financial structures or create false documents to disguise the origins of illicit money. They can assist in making illegal funds appear legal. 14. Charities and nonprofits. Donations can be inflated or fictitious, funneling dirty money through a seemingly legitimate channel. The funds are often received as charitable contributions and then redirected. 15. Rental services. Businesses that rent out high-value items can be used to justify large sums of money. For instance, laundering money through vehicle or equipment rentals can be achieved by manipulating rental agreements. 16. Nightclubs and entertainment venues. High cash flow and transactions make these businesses susceptible. Funds can be mixed with legitimate earnings through inflated bar tabs or cover charges. 17. Freight and shipping companies. Launderers can falsify shipping documents or manipulate cargo records to launder money through international trade. This can involve over or under invoicing shipments. 18. Vending machine operations. Cash-heavy operations like vending machines offer opportunities to blend illicit cash with legitimate earnings. By controlling the reported income, illegal funds can be integrated. 19. Online marketplaces. E-commerce platforms can facilitate money laundering by manipulating transaction values or using multiple accounts. Goods can be bought and sold with inflated or deflated prices. 20. Coin-operated businesses. Laundromats and arcade machines often handle large amounts of cash. By inflating revenues or manipulating cash intake, illicit funds can be mixed with legitimate earnings. In summary, businesses that handle significant amounts of cash or involve high-value transactions are more susceptible to money laundering because they provide opportunities to blend illegal money with legitimate income, making the illicit funds appear clean. Effective anti-money laundering measures are essential to prevent these abuses. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Stay safe everyone.